everybody, it's Anne here from Positively Papercraft, and today I am back with some projects that I wanted to share, and we'll do a tutorial, well, a sort of make as well, with some Kscraft dies that I got sent in the last package from them. And the one that I want to show you is this. Now, isn't this just beautiful? I hadn't even seen it in the store before, but I'm so glad I found it, and they sent us it because it is gorgeous. So it's a good size. It is 5.5 inches by 4 inches. Then you've got a smaller one, and then you've got a little tiny one here, which would be good for like a little picture frame of some sort, and that's 2 inches by 1 3/8. Absolutely beautiful. So what I've been making is like white Christmas cards, which do look beautiful, and that's what we're going to make today as well, because they're not as hard as you think really to achieve them. So the first one I made was this. Now, I used a Kscraft die that I showed you a while ago that I got sent, which was these beautiful like snowflake circles and ovals. So I made that, and those poinsettias are, I believe they are Creative Expressions, and I just put it on an embossing folder, and I put the Season's Greetings on foam. I believe that one is a Creative Expressions as well, but I'll try and find the links if I can. So that was that one, which I think turned out beautiful. And then I made this one. Now that's using them dies that we're going to use today, and the detail on them is beautiful. And I used this is just an embossing folder I've got. These little poinsettia dies, I'm sure they're from AliExpress, so I think I can find the links for them. And I just used some of the Creative Expressions little bits. That's another Creative Expressions die, I believe. But yeah, Kscrafts are these beautiful ones you can see in the background, and I think that turned out gorgeous. So that was another one that I made. And then I used the dies again on this one, and I turned their bauble die into a shaker. I used the poinsettias again, the same dies. I think this is an In Love Arts die, and I think that turned out beautiful. I love white Christmas cards, and that's Kscrafts because I think you'll have noticed I've used that quite a bit. You get loads in here, and I've also got the shaker present die as well. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful. So we're going to make a card. Again, I'm going to use these two dies. I've cut them out. I'm not going to use the little small one. I did cut it out though, just to show you. It's just a little cute one. So I've got them two there, and I've just took a background die that I've got, and I've cut it from white glitter foam, okay, and I just thought it would be something a bit different. So I've got that. I'm going to use this Silent Night die, which is another Creative Expressions. I think I've got quite a few on a sale online, and I've put that on foam as well. So I've got just a white card base, and then I'm going to start by just gluing this background. Instead of an embossing folder, I'm going to put this on instead. I'm just going to get a bit of this scrap paper because I don't want to get glue on my new surface here, because that's what I keep doing, ruining them and getting glue on them. So I'm just going to put glue just all the way around. So that is that on there. And then I've put some little foam pads on the back because they're going to go over there. And then also the littler one, I've put pads on there. I just love that dye, it's so pretty. I'm getting glue on the back of my card. Right, so that's that. The Silent Night will be kind of just going somewhere like that. But we're going to use some more of these little poinsettias here, which I've got. I've already cut some out. And these are really good because they have this little score line, and you can actually just fold them just to, you know, make them a little bit more realistic, give them a bit more shape if you want to. I mean, you don't have to, but I think it looks quite nice. So I've cut some of them, and also these little foliage pieces and some of these leaves as well, which are really pretty. So we'll see what we can do with these. So I'll probably speed it up while I get these little flowers done, because what I do as well is once where's the one that I lifted? Yeah, so the little ones that I folded the leaves and petals in half, I just push them down, and it just gives them a bit more shape. And then, like, I've got a bigger one here, so I'm just gonna fold the leaves on it. Petals, why do I keep saying leaves? Shape that, and then I'm gonna put another little small one. I'll show you these dies in a minute, but yeah, I've had these for a while and they're lovely, really lovely dies, and I think I can still find the link for them. I'm sure I saw them not long ago. I'm just trying to find the flower, the poinsettia dye. No, I can't find them. Oh, there they are. Yeah, so the ones that I'm using from Ali are these, and these are the ones I've used, the little elements, and these are Creative Expressions, which I believe I got them from Craft Stash. So once I've done that, I just get a bit of glue, just put some in the middle, and then I just kind of glue it on, but I like off center it, you know, so where it fills in the gaps. And then again, I just put a bit of glue on the back of there, and then I would put that way, and then you can just press down again, and that's how I've been making the poinsettia flowers. So I will speed it up and get on with these. So what I'm going to do is glue this down so I know where I want this to go. I don't have to worry about these little skinny bits as long as I get some glue, you know, on most of it. You don't have to get it on all. And then I'm going to pop this about there, I think. Beautiful dye. So I want flowers there, so I'm going to put glue one down with a glue dot. So I'm just going to pop that one about there, and then I'm going to take some of these little leaves and stuff, and I'm just going to, why am I gluing it? Putting the glue on that way, stupid woman. And then I'm going to just start placing these down and just glue them, you know, like behind the flower. Sorry, the battery ran out there, so there we go. I've put all the little leaves and branches and things, and I just want to take 3 of these little beautiful little rhinestone gems, whatever you want to call them, and I just want to put them in the middle of the flowers just with a glue dot. Glue dot stuck on. And there we go. I think that is really, really beautiful. So it is fairly straightforward, fairly simple to make, you know, beautiful cards. So I just wanted to come on and share them with you. And as I say, I'll put all the links, what I can, in the description. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.